Good day, dear fans. Once again, we're visiting Africa Young Farmers Farm. It's a kind of home garden just around his house. And he's in charge of the farm with the help of some of his family members. They just catch a glimpse and see the progress on this farm. Thank you. You can see the cassava growing very well. The cassava growing very well. Beautiful cassava. This kind of bitter leaf. It's a good vegetable. He has varieties of crops in his farm. Varieties. Vegetable, tuberous crops, and so on. See for yourself. That's cocoyam. Yeah, I can see okra. I can see okra growing well. Vegetable. Yoruba call this a wedu. See a lot of varieties of crops in this farm. You can see pepper growing ripe already. Oh, this is beautiful. Okra, ugu. It's got ugu. You can see pepper. See, this pepper is growing very well. Wow, it's beautiful. I love this. Beautiful. Wow. It's magical. Let's see some other crop. Yes, the sugar cane. And this sugar cane, you got sugar cane too. Wow, crops are doing well. And we can see potato, maize. Wow, see the maize crop doing well. Wow, got yam. Wow, growing very tall. Yam are growing already. Growing very, very tall. Wow, within a few weeks, they've grown so fast. Like magic. Magical. See yam in his farm. See potato. Yeah, you can see the maize growing well, growing beautiful. And the potato too, growing very well. The crops are doing well. The crops are doing well. You can see maize growing over there. The cassava, they are also doing well. Growing very fine. It's beautiful. I love this. Wow. Wow. And this beautiful maize. Can I touch it? You're beautiful. Doing very well. Okay. Melon too. Okay, that's the farm. It's doing well. So maybe we're going to be asking him how he's able to cope so far. What are some of the challenges? So that we can learn from him. Thank you.